How to use TikTok voice effects on any video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device and go to Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you go to your profile, click on the plus button at the bottom. In here, click on the photo light icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will find all your photos and videos. Select the video where you want to add voice effect. Press on next. Now you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here on the left side, click on voice. And from here you will be able to change your voice. You can select any effect and press on save at the top right. After you do this, voice effect will be added to your video. Press on next and you will be able to post. This is how to use TikTok voice effects on any video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.